So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand history current user. Then you want to expand software. Then you want to expand Microsoft. Now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand that. Now you want to expand current version. And now we're going to find policies. You want to scroll down till we find policies. Here it is. You want to right click on policies and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this Explorer. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. Make sure that you're now in the Explorer folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword for 8-bit value. You want to call this no run. Use the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on enter. Now you want to double click on no run. Now once this comes up, you want to change the value data in this box right here to 1. Make sure that in this box you have the number 1 and then click on OK. So now that it's set to 1, it's going to disable it. Now you just want to restart your computer to apply the changes. And if you want to enable it again, you want to change this number to 0.